Good evening, student. Today we'll discuss chapter 14 of class 10 statistics. So here we'll say about measure of central tendency. Now when we speak of measure of central tendency, it means we have to find out mean, median and mode. Today we'll discuss about mean. So when we speak of mean, we can calculate mean by direct method or assumed mean method or step deviation method. So today we'll discuss only direct method. So when I speak of direct method, the formula for direct method is mean is denoted by x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So this is the formula to find out mean by direct method. So first we will go for the simple method. Direct is very simple. So if in exam time they don't mention any method to apply, you can go for direct method because this is quite easy. So in question exercise 14.1, question number 1, I am just reading out the question. What did they say? A survey was conducted by a group of students as part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants. So number of plants 0 to 20, number of houses 1, so 2 to 4 it is 2. So these are all class interval which is given, and number of houses which gave this number of plants. So 0 to 2 plants, how many houses has given? 1. 2 to 4 plants, 2 houses. So here we are asked to find out mean. Here we will apply direct method to find out mean. So what we will do? So what are the columns you have to write here to find out mean by direct method? First you can write class interval. After that it is mid value, which you can write xi. Mid value you can say as class mark also. Okay, then it is frequency fi, and the last it is fi xi. Okay, so class interval, so first class interval is 0 to 2. I am writing here, this is the direct method to find out mean. So first we will learn about direct method, then we will go for assumed mean method, and then step deviation method. So I have written here direct method. So class interval 0 to 2, next it is 2 to 4, then it is 4 to 6, 6 to 8, and 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. So these are the class interval. Frequency, so 0 to 2, how many houses are there? 1, then it is 2 again, again 1, it is 5, then it is 6, then it is 2, then it is 3. So here we have to find out, these two columns are already given in your question. Here you have to find out the mid value. So what is the rule to find out mid value? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4 6, 6 divided by 2 it is 3. 4 plus 6 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 plus 6 14, 14 divided by 2 is 7. 8 plus 10 18, it is 9. It is 22, 11, and it is now 30. So we have found out mid value. So next step is what? It is fi xi, means mid value and frequency I have to multiply. So 1 1 ja 1, 3 2 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 7 5 ja 35, 9 6 ja 54, 11 2 ja 22, and 13 3 ja 39. So this is the formation of the table. Now what we will do? We will find out total frequency, that is summation of fi. So it is given in book also, it is 20 house, so here you will get 20. Still if you have any confusion, you can add up 2 plus 1 3 4 9 15, it is 20. Then I will find out summation of fi xi. So if I add up, find it out what it is. Please do by yourself. So summation of fi xi, you will get 162. Okay, now what I have to find out? Mean. So what is the formula for mean? Mean is denoted by x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So fi xi it is 162 and fi is 20. So if you cancel it, here 10, here 81, so it is 8.1. So this is how we find out mean by direct method. I repeat again. So in direct method, what are the columns will be there? Class interval, mid value, frequency, fi xi. Class interval will be given in the question itself. Frequency also will be given. You have to find out mid value and fi xi. What is the rule to find out mid value? You add up lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 plus 6, 10. 5. 6 plus 8, 14. Divided by 2, 7. 18 divided by 2, 9. 22 divided by 2, 11. 26 divided by 2, 13. So here the frequency. So 1 1 ja 1. Fi xi means fi into xi. 1 1 ja 1. 3 2 ja 6. 5 1 ja 5. 7 5 ja 35. 9 6 ja 54. 11 2 ja 22. 13 3 ja 39. I have done addition. This is the sign sigma, which is what we will do. We will do summation of this. It is 162 and here it is fi. So I am finding out the mean by direct method. So what is the formula for direct method? Mean equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So fi xi is 162 by 20. I have done cancellation by 2. You got 8.1. So this is how we find out mean by direct method. So this is exercise 14.1 question number 1. So for rest of the sum also you can go for direct method if they don't mention any method to solve it, because this is the simplest method to find out mean of group data. Now we will go for question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is important for class 10 student. Okay, so in question number 3 what did they say? In question number 3, you see, I just read out the question. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. In this table, a frequency is missing. Mean is given. You have to find out the missing frequency. So daily pocket given, pocket allowance 11 to 13, and number of children. You can write daily pocket also. You can write class interval also. So I write here class interval. Class interval. Here to solve this sum also I will use direct method. After that you will get mid value. You can xi. Then it is frequency. It is fi. And the last it is fi xi. So mean what you can write? 11 to 13. Next it is 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. After that frequency is given. Let me fill up the frequency. 7, 6, 9, 13, f. This is the missing one. Here it is 5, then it is 4. I have already said how to find out the mean. The way to find out mean is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here it is how much? 3, 1, 4, 24. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. Here it is 28. 22 is 14. So next it will be 16, then 18, 20, 22, 24. Now you may think how I have done it directly, because here the difference is same for all case. So 2 has increased. Okay, difference between these two was 2, so I have added up 2. Got it? So it is 48, 48. Next, you do multiplication. 7 12 ja 84, 14 6 ja 84, 9 16 ja 144, 18 into 13. So it is your 234. Next it is 20 into f, 20f is 110, 4 4 ja 16, 96. Now to calculate the mean by direct method, what I have to do? I have to add up all this summation of fi. So here this is an unlike term, so I'll keep it separate, rest I will add up. So when I add up, I'll get 44 plus f. 44 plus f. Here 20f is the unlike term, I'll add up the rest. So it is summation of fi xi. So it is how much? 84 plus 84. Although I know the answer, what it will come for you people, I'll do it again. 234 plus 110 plus 96, it is 752. And unlike term, you will write it separately, 20f. So I got summation of fi is 44 plus f, and summation of fi xi is 752 plus 20f. So let me do the rest here. So what is the formula for mean here? Mean is, you will do it below, it is summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So mean here it is given 18 in the question itself. fi xi it is 752 plus 20f, and here it is 44 plus f. So if I cross multiply it, 18 into 44 plus f equal to 752 plus 20f. 18 into 44, you will get 792. 18 into 44, 792 plus 18f equal to 752 plus 20f. Okay, just copy it. Got it? So let me bring the f term in one side. I am doing it here. So it is 792. 792 minus 752. On the other side it is 20f plus 18f will go other side is 18f. So here it is 40. 20 minus 18 it is 2f. Therefore f equal to 40 by 2, that is 20. Okay, I repeat again. Here one of the frequency was missing. Okay, that missing frequency I have to find it out. Here mean is given here 18. So what I have done, class interval, mid value, frequency, fi xi. I have used direct method to find out this missing frequency. Class interval written, frequency is already given in the question itself. So I have already said how to find out the mid value, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So in first case I got 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So mid value I have denoted it by xi, frequency, fi xi. So I will multiply these two. 12 into 7, 84, 14 into 6, 84, 16 into 9, 144, 18 into 13, 234, 20 into f, 20f, 22 into 5, 110, 24 into 4, 96. Okay. So in direct method what I do, I will do the summation of fi, 44 plus f is unlike term, so it is kept separate. Then fi xi, 20f f is kept separate. Got it? So now I will use the direct method formula. Direct method formula is what? Mean x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So mean is given 18, fi xi is 752 plus 20f, and it is 44 plus f. Do cross multiplication. 18 into 44, 792, 18 into f, 18f, 752 plus 20f. So I have brought 752 on the left hand side, 792 minus 752 equal to 20f minus 18f. Okay. So 792 minus 752 is 40, 20 minus 18 is 2, f is 20. So this is how we find out the missing frequency. Okay. So these are the two sums where I have discussed how to find out the mean by direct method. Next we will see how to find out mean by assumed mean method. Okay. In the next we will discuss more two sums in which I will use assumed mean method. So this is the simplest method to find out the mean of group data. So for today this much only. You just go through it. If you find any problem, you can pass your comment in the comment section. Do like the videos and please subscribe the channel. okay, for future whatever update I do. Thank you for today.